guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1966 and 67 Chevelle and El Camino hoods by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. We offer both standard and SS style hoods for 1966 and SS style for 1967. Stamped from heavy gauge steel, these hoods are identically reproduced to the original quality standards for fit and finish. Each hood features all the correct factory mounting holes for moldings and emblems for a smooth installation. In addition, every hood is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coating protects against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your hood without worrying about potential rust. You can find this hood on our 1966 Chevelle SS396 that we debuted at the SEMA show back in 2007. Out of hundreds of cars reviewed, ours took home the GM Best Restored Vehicle of the Year award. Several years later, and the hood still looks brand new and in showroom quality condition. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.